Hi guys, today I will show you my project. I have done it before, a project like this, but now is more powerful and can power up those two lamps, even more higher power lamps. So let me show it you. So guys, I had this schematic before, but those capacitor values were very low, and this is a voltage doubler. So I remade it for more powerful, and I use it only half of this high current 35 amps 1000 volt bridge rectifier one side, and this to create this doubler here. As you can see, I use those 230 volts AC lamps in series together, as you can see. They're together in series. Let's see this. So it's 28 watt, 220 to 240 E27. So let's say 460 volts in series lamps. So those are those caps that I have removed at 180 microfarad 450 volts. So I connected both them in series. I had two, and I thought, why not to use them for a high power supply that I will use it later for a Tesla Coil project. So I needed a doubler, high power doubler, voltage doubler, to power up my new project that I have in mind. A Tesla coil, a vacuum tube Tesla coil, a nice one, a high power one with low quality details, with cheap things. So guys, I used this diode, that bridge rectifier, that is KBPC 3510, so it's 35 amps 1 kilovolt. So just a second to focus. Let me turn on the meter first. As you can see, let me put something under the probes to do not get shocked or do not burn things. Well, let's turn on the power to see what will happen. Will them explode? Maybe, if you corrected them wrong. If you put AC directly, both terminals of AC both on electrolytic capacitor will explode. So I have connected well, as you can see here. Before I energize, I will show the schematic. So I take the positive from mains, and I put it directly in AC, half of AC of this bridge rectifier, and the other AC is left untouched. So the positive of this is connected into the first capacitor. The capacitors are in series, and the half medium of the capacitor is connected directly in the mains, so is half positive, and the negative is directly connected in the bridge rectifier. Also, it supplies the lamps. Even the positive gets a supplier to the lamps, so those are in series. I have put these multimeter probes to measure. So let's turn on. As you can see, it's powerful. They will burn up. The voltage is 616 volts, as you can see here. The circuit is very powerful. I will let it for a little, not much longer. So guys, is higher voltage that can kill you, so be careful with that. Is raising up little by little. Sorry, my focus is not focusing well. Well guys, show you that I don't hide anything, or those voltage are not 110, but as you can see is 613 now. I will turn off the power. As you can see, the voltage dropped. Let's to discharge a little bit, guys, because as much they discharge the capacitor, as much safer you are, because capacitors need time to discharge, or you can discharge them fast, but you will get shocked by sparks or something else that may explode between leads and metal, so it will arc jump. Well guys, that was my project for now. A voltage doubler power supply that I will use it for a powerful Tesla coil that I have in mind to do a project. I have a Cooper, enameled Cooper, so I will find a pipe, a tube pipe to wind it, and I will calculate some ratios. I will do some tests, and I will use this power supply that I made it, and also I will use a vacuum tube EL505, so is a great tube. So is a power pentode that is great for doing Tesla coil projects. For the last time we turn on and we turn off it faster, just for you to see. Well guys, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. I will teach you everything about electronics like this before that I have done it, like those low value capacitors. Now I have those 180 microfarad. From before I had those 1 or 10 nanofarad, I can't remember now, but I had those, and now I raise it up to 180 microfarad each, so divided by 2. So divided by 2 is 90 microfarad, so 90 microfarad, so is around 100 micro, so it's good to power up those bulbs in series. As you can see, they are bright and higher, like they were 110 volts, but they are 220, so this 240 volts that get raised, it double it, and they can power those lamps. Well guys, stay safe, don't play with high voltage, don't play with live wires, they can kill you easily. Have a nice day, stay safe, bye.